Okay. Next. No worries na ate because the 1 in here is already assigned to this one ha. Kasi put na 1. 1 times 2. 2. You put in here 2. O minus. 1. Next.
So you cannot do it in the mixed fraction.
No, not the instruction. Next. What's next? 18 divided by 2. Next. 9 times 2. Okay, next.
0.
So, bring 9. 9. Okay, next. 9 divided by 2.
I'll skip. 9? 9 will skip, so the answer is 4.
Very good. Put 4.
Did I write 4?
4 times 2.
Six.
4 times 2? 8. Okay. Minus. 1. Di ba there's no number na ate and you haven't
Remainder.
make this one 0? So for today ate, there's no remainder thing na ha.
So no mixed number?
No mixed number then. For today ate, you have to close this one. When we say close this one, you have to make it into a 0.
0.
Okay ha? So, wait lang, no ate, wait lang. Okay, this one, this is how you do it ate. Di ba, that's 1. This one, you have to put a decimal in here, okay? And also decimal in here. But, there's additional ate. You only put one number ha, and that specific number is, see? 0. Saan nilalagay si 0? You put 0 in here. So, since you already put 0 in here, you are going to put it down. So, this one will become 10. 10 divided by 2, how much?
10.
5. So, you put in here 5. Then, 5 times 2 ate, how much? 5 times 2? 10. So, put in here ka 10. 10 minus 10 ate, that's 0. So, our answer is 1194.5. So, decimal na tayo ate ha. Okay, isa pa ha. Liitan na lang ni teacher ate. Okay. So, for example, can we do this one na ate, the other side? Para mas maliit. Don't reach it. Okay. This one. Go for it na. Sige, put it. Back in here. Sige daw. 34 divided by 5. Let's start muna ate sa mga maliliit na number so that hindi ka mahirapan later ate. 34 divided by 5. How to do it? Very good. 5.
I'm preparing the decimal.
No. Don't prepare it in advance. Make sure to show your solution. 3 divided by 5 cannot be. So what will happen? 4 will join
4 will join
3.
3.
So it will become
34.
34 divided by 5
I'll skip down. Skip out
by 5.
By 5.
Start.
My mind.
Go.
while looking at
Go,
the
go, go.
food.
Sit down. Start. 5.
5.
Ay, wait lang. Why did you choose 5 ate?
Because I made a mistake in my mind pala.
It's not 5 ha? Okay.
Because I'm skip counting in my mind.
Faster. Very good, 6. Next. 6 times 5? 30. 34 ate minus. Wait lang. Bali ate. Di ba in here ate, wait lang ha, listen mo kay teacher, 34 minus 30, di ba you have remainder na 4? Ano yung gagawin mo? You put decimal in here, you put decimal in here.
Okay.
Next, you add 0 in here ha, not in here at the top. Next, you bring down 0. So this one will become
40.
40. Okay? 40 divided by 5 daw ate. Sige daw. Hold na. 40 divided by 5.
Eight.
8. Ayos ate. 8. 8 times 5, 40. Very good. 40 minus 40, 0. So, ibig sabihin, 34 divided by 5, the answer is 6.8. So, there's a decimal ha. So, ibig sabihin, if you are going to treat this one ate as a mixed number, ibig sabihin, do not include this one. But your answer supposedly should be 6, tapos 4 all over 5. If it is mixed number. Pero since we are not dealing with mixed number anymore, we are dealing with decimal na. So, 6.8. Isa pa ate ha. Okay. Isa pa. Okay, go to ate. Can you open it? Ano gusto mo, Hansel or this one?
This one.
Go, solve na.
I'll make my hand writing a bit small.
Hmm.
Okay, let me do it again because I made the line too close.
You made the line too close, go. 3. Okay, start.
2 divided by 3 cannot be. So, 5 will join 2. So, it's 25 divided by 12. I'll skip down.
Go, skip count ate. Go.
Okay.
not 7.
6. I think I made a mistake.
Ah,
Ay,
divide.
no. See, 25 is not mentioned in
So how much? Ate, sit down tayo with 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, ay 18, 21, 24, 27.
27 and I covered this and it's
How much? 8, ate, put 8. Hindi kalimutan? Oh, put 8.
ano? That's too hard.
8 times 3,
24.
put 24. Read daw, i-read mo. 13?
Divided by 3.
13 divided by 3, how much?
I'll skip yung 9 because 13 is a small number.
Next. Oh, wait lang. If the lesson gali is mixed fraction, ate, the final answer is this one, ha? Before mo i-decimal, make it into a mixed number daw muna at this side. Make it into a mixed number. Make it into a mixed number.
Nawala mo tapos na pick
If it is mixed number, ate, this is the answer, ha? If it is decimal, this is not the answer. So, anong gagawin mo? Put
The
the...
one here is big.
Ano?
If the one on top is tens.
No, ate. What I mean ba, di ba, if the topic is all about mixed fraction, this is the answer. Okay nga? Pero since our topic man is decimal, automatically, this is not the answer because this is a fraction. So you proceed, ate. You need to make this one into 0. So you put point. You add, ate. You add 0, ate. Yan. I-extend mo itong line. Wait lang. Extend this line, good. Extend. Lagay ka 0. Do you bring down? Sige, 10 divided by 3, how much?
I'll put it here.
Go faster.
Ano ka na?
Oh, go na. 10 divided by 3. Very good. 3. Sige. 3 times 3. Where do you put 9? Very good. 10 minus 9? 10 minus 9, 0. 10 minus 9? It's not 0. 1. Since this one, di ba hindi pa siya na 0, ate, what are you going to do with this one? You constantly add 0, ate, ha? Up until mahanap mo, ate, na magiging 0 siya. So what's next? You bring down another 0 na naman. Next. Ulit. 10 divided by 3. 3. 3 times 3? 9 again. 10 minus 9. Dito continue 1. Di ba, what did you observe, ate? 1 is repeating, right, from time to time. Ibig sabihin, if the answer galing, ate, or the number in here, repeatedly na, ate, nag-appear 3, 3, ate, automatically, the answer is, you put in here another 3. The final answer is this one. Wait, ate, ha, listen. If the answer galing is continuously repeated, 3, 3, 3, you stop it na, ha, sa pang tatlo, ate. 3, 3, 3.
Because if
If you
you repeat
continue, it will take forever. Ha, it will take forever.
until I'm old.
Yes, ate, it will become 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. That's why.
It will become 3 and 3 and 3 and 3.
Up until it will go there, up until it will go to your tito so to your tuwabaing. It will go. So ibig sabihin, we have to cut off the answer, ate, up until 3 decimal places lang, ha. So the final answer is 84.33. That lang, ha.
84.3333333
forever. Okay. Next.
Even in our mouth.
Sige down. Start, ate. Sige, start.
2 divided by 4 is 39 divided by 4.
29 divided by 4, how much?
I'll think in my mind, but if someone talks, I will get.
No one is talking to you. Go.
I think I will put my fingers here.
Go na, solve na. 29 divided by 4.
39 divided by 4. Seven.
Very good.
Zero here. Bring down 18 divided by.
Huh?
Wait, is this a 9?
Where? Yeah, that's 9. It's not 5. 18 divided by 4.
Wait, 20, 18 is not, 18 was not mentioned in 4, so the answer would be 4.
Very good. Next.
4, 4 times 4.
4 times 4 how much?
That 4 times 4 is 16. 0.
18 minus 16.
2.
Next.
Okay.
Wala pa gani?
2,
You have in your
Oh,
cipher pa, oh.
27.
Divided by 4, how much?
I'll cover my hands here. So it's 27.
Sige na.
Answer 6.
Okay. Wait lang ha. Wait lang. If we talk about mixed number, ate, you have your answer na ha. Okay? If we talk about mixed number, you have your answer na. Pero since we are decimal right now, what you're going to do, you have to make this one 0.
0.
So you put decimal in here, you put decimal also in here. Put na sina. Put decimal.
Okay, why is it
Sige
not
lang. Put decimal. Decimal yan. Next, you add 0.
0?
Then you bring down. Okay, 30 divided by 4.
Did you learn decimal in grade 4?
Yes, ate. 30 divided by 4.
I always cover my hands, so
Go na. 30 divided by 4.
answer 7.
Very good. Okay, next, 7 times 4.
I have to extend the line.
And go 7 times 4.
Okay. 28.
Hmm.
Do I still have to practice multiplication without thinking? Like doing this? Or I think that's...
Next, oh, hindi pa siya na 0. What's next?
Decimal na...
Add 0. Next. Sige lang. Add na diretso ka sa ilalim. How much?
4, 8... 5.
5. Congratulations. Oh, put 5. 5 times 4. Okay, 20 minus 20. Oh. So, final answer? This one. You understand it?
746.75.
Okay, sige, circle it, ate. Okay. Is this your final answer, ha? Ate, are you following Teacher Charles, ate? Ano tayo, Marine? Last time, you follow me when nakapink ako tapos right now, oh. You follow Teacher Charles. Okay, isa pa, ha?
I noticed you wear, mine is yellow and your shirt is color brown.
Mm-mm.
You being followed because you have a YouTube channel?
No, ate. Because when I wear something ba, that's the color also of your shirt.
Because it's coincidence.
No, it's go na, faster na. So, na, 746 divided by 6. 64 yan. Divided by 6.
I haven't met a YouTuber in
Real life? Oh.
Have you met a YouTuber in real life?
Wala pa, ate. Pero, I am fond of, you know, Mr. Beast.
Yep.
Mm. Okay, bring down.
16 divided
By 6. How much?
I'll pick. I'm sorry. 6, 12, 18.
6, 12, 18. So?
6, 12, 18, so that's 2.
2. Hindi kasali si 18, ha?
Yep.
Okay, very good. 2 times 6.
12.
12. Okay, subtract. 6 minus 2.
6 minus 2 is 4.
4. Correct, ate. Next, you bring down.
4.
4.
44.
Oh, wait lang. Sige, 44. If we are going to base this one, ate.
Wait, can I fix the 4? It looks like 9.
Here we go. Sige, go. Faster. Okay, 44 divided by 6. How much?
44
Divided by 6.
divided by 6.
Go.
6.
Go.
6. Answer is 6.
No, it's not
No,
6.
7.
Yeah, 7.
6 times 7, 42. 6 times 7.
Okay, next.
4 minus 2 is 2. 4.
Oh, wait lang. Wait lang, ha? Okay.
0.
Okay, if we are going to make this one as a mixed fraction, that's the final answer na, ha? Okay, because there's no number in here naman, ate. But if we are going to make it into a decimal, this is not the final answer because this one,
But if the number is 0,
that's the final answer. Okay, this is the final. Pero since this is not 0, you have to make it into 0. So what's next? Put decimal, and you add 0. Tapos, no, you bring down that one. There, 20 divided by 6, ate.
1.
Sige. Here we go.
I heard someone who sells 6.
6, 2. 3 ate. So you put 3. After that one, what's next? What's next?
24.
3 times 6, 24? It's not 24, 3 times 6. 6 times 3.
6 times 3? 18.
18. Bakit may 24 ka?
Maybe I add 4 in my
20
mind.
minus 18. Very good. To become 10.
Did you notice
It's
that?
18. It's not 18.
Did you notice that when I was talking to you and writing at the same time,
No.
I can write
10 minus 8
when you
na.
were talking.
Next. Di ba this one hindi pa siya na 0 ate? So you add another 0.
But I feel like it's gonna be
Here,
repeated
very
again like
good.
number 3.
So it will, no. It will
Like
become
3.
3.
And
3.
3.
So you stop it sa ikatatlo na 3 ha. So the final answer is this one. You understand it?
Yep.
Okay, isa pa ha.
Why is it always 3?
No, from time to time, ate, it's not always 3. There's a possibility
Also, different
na,
numbers like 2, 1, 1, 1, 2,
yeah,
2, 3, 3, 3,
possibility ate, 2, 2, 2, 2, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, ganyan.
10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10,
Walang 10, 10, 10, 10, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, ganun. Sige ha, try natin isa.
1,106.
Sige tao.
But tapos if I might become mistaken,
Okay lang yan ate. Basta you try your best. 838 divided by 7. You try to make it 0 ate ha. Okay, sige, put 7. Okay, first step.
1,
Correct,
7,
correct,
1,
correct,
3,
correct. 13 divided by 7.
7,
13 divided by 1. 1 times 7.
7.
Correct. Grabe naman na yan na line. Uy, pilitan mo lang. Ay, there's a lot of spaces left. This one, at the bottom of 7. Yan. 13 minus 7.
30 minus 7. 30.
Uy, wala ka nag-borrow. Di ba si 3 cannot be? 0, tapos 13. Sige. 13 minus 7.
30. Ayan.
Google na. Correct. Next. After putting 6, you bring down 8. Very good.
68.
68 divided by 7. Bakit kasi counting ka by 6?
Ay.
Di ba this is 7?
Yeah,
Oo.
7. 25. 42. The answer is 9.
Correct. I thought you were going to say 7. It's 9. 9 times 7.
9 times 7 is 63.
Correct. 8 minus 3?
8 minus 3 5.
5. Okay, put 5. Wait na ate ha. If it is mixed number ate, that is already your final answer. Pero since we are not mixed number man, we have decimal.
Decimal.
So put. 0. Check the time ate.
Okay, do you have your phone?
Yes, I have my phone pero.
151.
151. 9 minutes left. 2. Go. Bring down 0. You bring down 0
Are
na.
we gonna end at 2 o'clock?
Yes ate.
Okay, bring down 0, that's
Will become
divided by 7.
50 divided by 7. How much?
50. Okay, let me close my fingers. I'm not gonna look at my fingers because I was just looking at the number of what
Go na.
What? 7,
50 divided by.
7.
Hmm.
I'll skip count by 7. 7. Okay, samahin ko na lang. Seven. The answer is 7.
Very good. 7 ate. Put 7.
Why would you think that I would answer 7 to like when I was skip count?
Because, I know, it's not 7 pala. I thought you are going to say 8. Because 8 times 7 kanina will be 8 times 7, 56, which is near to 68. That's what I thought. Asking na 7 times 7.
What? No.
77?
7 times 7. That.
7 times 7.
That. It's so funny when we're doing this.
Sige, 7 times 7 na.
Okay, 7. Okay, in my mind, I'll skip that.
Go.
Okay, I know that. 49.
49. Very good. Put 49.
Okay, I'll put 49.
49 minus 50.
1.
Very good. Next. Divide pa siya na 0. What's next? You add?
Wait, was there ano?
It will become
10.
10. 10 divided by 7.
10. 1.
1. Put 1. 1 times 7. There.
1 times 7 is 7.
7. Okay, 10 minus 7. You continue your answer in here. 10 minus 7.
10 minus 7 is
10 minus 7?
10 minus 7 is what?
10 minus 7?
Yes.
So how much?
10. Okay.
3. Put 3 in here. There. Wait lang. Dyan. In here. This one. 3. So diba hindi pa siya na 0 ate? Right now, you put 0. Isa pa na 0. Si 0 will be forwarded to this one. This one. 30 divided by 7. 30 divided by 7. 4. 4 times 7.
30. Ay, no.
Divide by 7.
28.
Oh, 28. You put 28. Oh, sige. 30 minus 28. Equal to, tapos yan magiging 10. Oh, 10 minus 8. 2. Oh, you put 2. Oh, na 0 na, wala pa. Wala pa. Oh, another 0. It will take forever. No, ate, oh. 7, 1, 4. Di ba it's not repeating? Oh, so you put this
Wait,
one.
do I have these numbers?
Huh?
All numbers but except for 2?
Sige daw, put 0. Oh,
Wait, I
20.
need an eraser.
Oh, this one. Oh.
Okay, I'll erase these numbers.
Why not? Why are you erasing it?
Because
Don't erase it
there will
na.
be no
Sige lang.
space.
Do not erase it na.
Okay, ano sa akin here?
Di ba the number in here is 30? Sige, 30.
How did you erase it?
So, guys, lang. 20 divided by 7, how much?
I think 9 it.
20 divided by 7,
20 divided by
7.
7.
How much? This one na lang, ate, oh. Di ba, hindi mo siya nakuha na 0. So, even though, ate, it's not a repeated number, you stop at the 3 decimal lang, ha? 7, 1, 4. You stop in here na lang, ha?
I'll stop at
Because it will take forever, ate.
Because
Okay?
I will write like different numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13.
So, this one, how you understand this one?
Or the number will be like 7, 1, 4, or 5, 6, 7.
Okay, ito, ate, pinaka-last. Since we are finished with division, try natin ang addition, ate, ha? This is addition. 2. Masanay ka na sa 2, ha? This is how I write 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 9.
You also write 2 like
Yeah, plus. 44.7. Oh, pinaka-last na itong faster, kaya mag-finish na tayo.
I'll check the time.
What's the time? Oh, 2 minutes left. Go. Put na. 2, 3, 4.5
Wait,
na.
why bigger numbers? It will be
Bigger number, ate, so that you will not be afraid of the bigger number.
bigger numbers because it's
Where do you
already almost time.
Oh, go. 44.7. Oops, ate, mali. This one, oh, ano muna tayo, place value. What's the place value of this one?
Hundreds.
Huh?
No, ones.
Ones, tens, hundreds. What's the place value of this one?
Tens.
Huh? The 4.
Tens. I know, ones.
Ones.
Because I see 7.
So, sa 4, ate, di ba, ones? You need to make sure that you align ate the ones. So, the first step, ate, if nakakita ka or ipasolve ka ng ganito, first na gagawin mo is you need to align this decimal sa decimal. So, you put
Is
it in
the
here.
decimal also same with the number that we divide like long?
Sige.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So, you align first the decimal. After the decimal, ate, you put this one at this side and 7 on that side. Oops. It's not 4 in here. Oh, you copy 2 again. This is the scenario, ate. If you put 4 in here, there's a space.
Oh,
So, that's not the right... Oh, 4. Oh, sa amin lalagay 7. Where do you put 7?
here.
After the decimal. Where do you put 7?
After the decimal.
Oh, where's the decimal?
Here.
Oh, up, yan, dyan. Oh, add. Oh, plus 9, 2, 5 plus 7.
12.
12. Sige. 2, carry 1. Next. 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 Oh, where do you put the decimal? Very good. Ay, dalawa lagi. Isa lang. In here, oh. Yan. Oh, ibig sabihin, if you're going to read this one, you will read this one as 297. 229.
220.
Isa pa, ha? Isa pa.
But it's almost time.
Isa pa kayo muna understand. 351.231 added by 7.28. Faster na kayo, parang picture tayo.
Okay, I'll do it very fast like
Go na.
a cheetah.
351.231. What's the first step? You align the decimal. Wait lang, align the decimal. Oh, where's the decimal of the first part? Here. Oh, where do you align the decimal? Yan, next. Sino ang straight ni 7? Si 5?
Oh, 1.
Very good. Oh, add
I
na.
can have another one because it's already 2 or 1.
Sige na, add na. Oh, add. 1, 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8? It's not minus. Go na, 3 plus 8.
Okay, 3 plus 8. 11.
11. You're not aligning it ba?
No, I just answered here because I thought this was 3 and 8.
Go.
5. 8. 5 and 3.
Where do you put the decimal?
Here.
Okay, that's how you do it, ha?
Okay, can I write that?
Yes. Okay na, stop na. Okay.
You always see the